witness is Congressman Keith Flores. You are recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just a few questions, Mr. Chair. Colonel Garma, you said that Captain Albotra mentioned the killing to you in a courtesy call in your office, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was at that time, were you the chief of police of Cebu City?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, when he made that courtesy visit to you, was it after his reassignment to Station 1 of Cebu City?
Was it after?
Was it when he was reassigned to Station 1?
During that time, wala pa po siyang assignment sa...
Wala pa.
I am deciding pa po kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Kasi
But he
courtesy
was
call.
returned to you back to you in Cebu City.
Yun ang understanding ko po nung sinabi din nila na galing na siya doon dati. Pero hindi ko na po pinansin yun, Mr. Chair.
All right. So after he mentioned that to you na sila nga yung may tumira kay Mayor Halili, it was you who assigned him to a station as chief of police.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Chair.
Now, in that station, did he perform well naman, si Captain Albutra?
Maayos naman, Mr.
Maayos
Chair.
naman. Wala naman kayong away.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
There was
Your
no
Honor.
miscommunication, misunderstanding between you and Captain Albutra.
Wala po.
He had no complaints against you also.
Wala din po.
Wala din. Okay. Now, Captain Albutra, in your affidavit, you repeatedly said that the allegations made by Colonel Garma are pure chismis, no? Made-up stories, correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Narinig naman po natin nung sinabi niya yun, Mr. Chair. May chismis po, Mr.
Ito ba
Chair.
yung first time na narinig mo na ikaw ay implicated in the murder of the Mayor Halili?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. First time.
When Colonel Garma mentioned it.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So that was the first time in your entire career that you heard such allegations?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, now, would Colonel Garma have any reason to implicate you, Captain Albutra?
At first, Mr. Chair, I can't think of any, Mr. Chair. Nagulat din po ako, Mr. Chair.
Nagulat. Now, why of all the police officers that she knows, bakit ikaw?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What is so special about Captain Albutra?
That's why I thought, Mr. Chair, na-confuse po si ma'am siguro, Mr. Chair.
Confused.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Baka lang na-confused.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi yung nabay po niya, Mr. Chair, chismis. Tapos ginago niya po, ako na po yung nagsabi, Mr. Chair.
Now, Colonel Garma, when Captain Albutra made that statements to you, was it clear to you na it was him bragging about what they did?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Siyang nag-volunteer. Kaya hindi ko talaga makakalimutan po.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ako updated nun kung sino yung mga namatay ng mga politicians. No? It was him who volunteered.
So you were surprised that all of a sudden someone would out of the blue say or claim to have participated in the killing of a mayor.
Yes po.
That's
Your
why it
Honor.
will always be memorable for you and it would be easy to recall such an event, correct?
Yes po.
Now, Captain Albutra said that he will file cases against you. That's what is mentioned in his affidavit because he's claiming that what you've said are pure lies. What is your comment to that?
Convention and I gave my full support. Alam po niya yan.
So
Now,
you-
if he will sue me, I will face it. But I can look it straight in his eyes. I am not lying and he is lying and he is coward to mention names na alam niya kung sino talagang tumira kay Mayor Halili. He knows it. Konsensya na lang po niya yan, Mr. Chair and Your Honor.
Captain Albutra, Colonel Garma says that she took care of you, no? Nilagaan ka, pinotektahan ka.
Totoo po yan,
And
Mr. Chair.
now, ikaw pa yung may lakas ng loob daw na mag-file ng kaso against
Mr.
Colonel
Chair,
Garma.
grabe po yung Mr. Chair, grabe po yung impact nung binanggit niya po yung pangalan ko, Mr. Chair. Grabe po talaga, Mr. Chair. Hindi ako nakatulog ng mga ilang araw. Hanggang ngayon, Mr. Chair, hindi pa po ako nakatulog ng kumpleto. Pero kaya ko namang Mr. Chair, kalimutan, Mr. Chair, yung sinabi ni Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
So hindi ka nakatulog because sinabi ni Garma na you were involved. Ba't nakatulog ka na sinabi mo kay Garba na pinatay niyo yung tao? Okay lang sa iyo. Hindi na konsensya doon.
Again, Mr. Chair, wala po talaga akong maalala na nagsabi ako ng ganyan kay Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
So walang naalala doesn't mean that hindi mo ginawa.
Hindi ko po ginawa yun, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That's all.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Flores. Before I recognize Congressman Paduano, meron lang akong dagdag na tanong kay Mr. Tamisin. Mr. Tamisin, kung ikaw ang in-implicate, ikaw ang kinasuhan, what could have been the motive? Ano ba yung motibo? Bakit ikaw? Ba't hindi ibang fall guy, quote unquote, no? Bakit ikaw?
Hindi ko rin po alam, Your Honor eh. Kasi wala naman kami personal na away ni Mayor. Never naman kami nag-away. Totoo po, may differences lang po pagdating sa mga implementation ng policies. Pero sabi ko nga po kanina, Your Honor, ako may pinakamaraming batas na inapprove niya. At napaganda pa, dahil nagkaroon ng breastfeeding and children's corner sa munisipyo, nagkaroon pa kami ng award sa DILG because of that ordinance. Ibig ko pong sabihin, hindi ko po talaga alam kung bakit, sabi ko nga po ulit, Your Honor, wala na silang choice kasi ako lang ho yung mahina, ako lang ho yung mahirap. Pero hindi nila alam, ilalabang ko to hanggang buhay ako. Bakit po? Kasi yung ibang pwede pagbintangan, hindi nila kaya.
Okay. Nakalagay ba sa investigation report nyo kung ano ang motibo ng pagpatay kay Mayor Cesar Perez? Sino nag-conduct na investigation sa inyo? Hindi ba ikaw, Colonel Petalio, ang Chief of Police during the time?
Your Honor, si Colonel Gardoque po, sir. Nag-share lang po, sir.
You're not familiar with the investigation report ng PNP tungkol dun sa task, di ba? Task force, nag-create
Yes, sir.
kayo
Yes,
ng
sir.
task force, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung nakalagay dun sa report? Ano yung motibo nung pagpatay kay Mayor Cesar Perez?
May kasama po doon, Your Honor, politics, Your Honor.
Politika.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun ang
Kasama po
na-establish
yun,
ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwede bang malaman kung ano yung mga sirkumstansya na kung bakit nakapag-establish kayo na ang motibo ay politika?
Sir, ano ba kay Colonel Gardoque?
So si Colonel Garduque was already
That's Chief of Police, sir, Your Honor.
the Chief of Police at the time. And I suppose he is familiar with the investigation
Yes, sir.
report, no? Kayo ang gumawa, page, can you let him sit down? Excuse me. Gusto mo magtestigo? Okay. Baka lang gusto mo magtestigo. Colonel, so anong nakalagay na motibo sa inyong investigation report sa pagpatay kay Mayor Cesar Perez? Ikaw ang Chief of Police, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor,
So
sir.
hindi mo alam. Are you part of the task force Halili? Task force Perez?
Yes, I am part of
What was the result of your investigation as far as the motive of the killing is concerned? Ano?
It was, we found out, sir, that it was partly a politically motivated.
Partly?
Yes, sir.
Can you qualify bakit partly? Anong sirkumstansya na nagbigay sa inyo ng idea na ang motibo ng pagpatay ni Mr. Tamisin ay politika? Anong instances? Anong sirkumstansya? Ikaw nang imbestiga, di ba?
Yes, sir. Based on dun sa mga statements and evidences na nag-gather namin, it all point out that there was yung previous kasi na alitan nila as kuan. Tumakbo kasi si Sir Tamisen dati ng mayor. Hindi naman actually kuan yon. Part lang, sir, na kuan nakikita namin dahil magkalaban nga sila sa kuan noon.
Did you know na inaanak siya ni Mayor Cesar Perez?
No, sir.
So wala kang idea.
Wala.
Kasi nakakapagtaka lang, Colonel, na ang suspect, no, a known politician in Calamba, Los Baños. Number 2, inaanak ng mayor na napaslang. Pangatlo, siya ay known to be in the community in Los Baños, not to be a violent person. Wala hong history ng violence sa kanya record. And yet, siya ang nakita ninyong suspect. Nakakapagtaka, no? Hindi ko alam paano nyo inimbestigahan, ano ang nagturo sa inyo na siya ang pumatay. Malaking question mark pa rin yan, no? At least sa akin, I don't know with my colleagues. Kasi yun ang aking pagkakaintindi dito sa kwentong ito. Now, did you know that Mayor Cesar Perez was in the drug list?
I have not seen the list here, but we have heard. That
So you have heard.
Yes, sir.
But bilang chief of police sa lugar, wala ka bang access sa drug list?
Wala, sir. Wala.
Wala kang record sa area mo kung sino doon ang na-identify ng BADAC, MADAC, or whatever it is that identified the personalities within your jurisdiction na to be involved in illegal drugs?
What we have, sir, is the list from the BADAC. But as far as the BADAC is concerned, wala naman doon sa...
So hindi kasama sa drug list ang dating mayor, ang the late mayor.
Doon sa Los Baños, sir, I have not seen his name as part of the drug personalities within the Los Baños area.
Okay, so i-confirm ko lang ulit dito kay DG Morolazo. DG, sabi nyo kanina, nasa listahan ng drug list si Mayor Cesar Perez. Is that correct?
Your Honor, yes, Your Honor, in the Duterte list.
So when the Duterte list, is this list provided to the chief of police of the different cities, municipalities in the country? Meron ho ba silang idea kung sino sa area nila ang involved sa droga?
Your Honor, I would assume so because my Deputy Director General for Operations now used to be a regional director.
Okay.
And he has a copy of the drug list nationwide. And I think this was given to them so that this can be distributed to the stations under their jurisdictions, that they will have people to follow or watch, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So nakapagtaka, Colonel Garduque, no, na wala kang idea, wala kang listahan, hindi mo nakita yung listahan na sa a certain Cesar Perez that you know is the mayor of Calamba ay nasa Los Baños ay nasa listahan ng drug list.
Yes, sir. Actually, maybe previously, sir, but on my time, I honestly, I have not seen his name doon sa...
Anong year ka na-appoint dyan sa Los Baños?
2020, sir, up to 2021 ng
And
March or February.
the incident happened. So hindi ba SOP yan, Colonel Patay, na kapag ikaw ay na-assign sa isang bilang isang city director sa isang city, hindi ba dapat meron ka kagad listahan kung sino-sino ang mga nasa drug list within the jurisdiction of the command?
Mr. Chair, during my time, we only base on the list in the station and those list from the BADACs, from the barangays, Mr. Chair.
So there are two lists, the one from the BADACs and
That's the same, Mr. Chair. That's consolidated.
so the BADACs
Yes.
list is the one provided to the city directors.
I'm not aware of for the city director because I was not assigned as city director, Mr. Chair. Only in station, Mr. Chair.
Weren't you assigned in Quezon City as the city director?
Station commander lang, Mr.
Station
Chair.
commander. Doon sa station mo, hindi ka binigyan ng listahan.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So, tama ba yung sinasabi ni Colonel Garduque na hindi lahat, gagaya mo, hindi mo nakita yung listahan kung sino ang nasa drug list?
Ako hindi ko nakita, Mr. Chair. I cannot speak in behalf of others, Mr. Chair.
Well, base sa PIDEA, bilang isang pulisiya dito sa sinasabing drug list, lahat po ng ating membro ng PNP, lalo na yung mga commanders, whether district commander yan or district director yan, inform sila kung sino-sino yung mga involved sa droga sa area nila. Unless merong special crack team na ang trabaho lang, sila ang magtrabaho nung nasa drug list ng mga pangalan. So, it's really confusing to hear from you na mismo kayo alam nyo because sa area nyo ang daming namatay For instance, kay Colonel Patay, ang daming namatay sa area mo. Would you be honest enough to tell me kung how many deaths under investigation that happened in your station?
Mr. Chair, I cannot give the exact numbers. As I've said, Mr. Chair, the PNP has already give the numbers, Mr. Chair, and I was not able to look at it or to verify the numbers, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. Congressman Abante, you're now recognized.
Before I ask the very people I'd like to ask, Colonel Patay, you're lying. In fact, when we had the committee hearing in the human rights, you even said that more than 100 people were killed when you were the station commander of Batasan.
Mr. Chair, I was not the one telling that.
Who said that?
It was only the information was only given to this committee, Mr.
We
Chair.
even invited your men, a certain major, and 4 other policemen. Andun ka, hindi ba? Inimbisigahan namin yan. Sinabi nila, nakapatay sila. Marami silang napatay. Oo. Marami silang binaril. Hindi nila alam kung sila nakapatay. Oo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, and then they were under you. You were the one that gave the order. Colonel Patay naman. Alam mo kung ilan na namatay dun sa sa lugar mo Oh. Colonel Patay. Mr. Chair, sagutin mo.
As I've said, Mr. Chair, I was not able to confirm the number. As far as I can
You
remember,
better submit to us a report of how many were killed when you were the station commander in Batasan. Okay?
So far on the reports, Mr. Chair, I
You
don't have the report.
submit to us a report.
I will ask the command, Mr. Chair. I will.
That's
try
true. You submit to us a report. Because if you do not submit to us a report, I'll be compelled to cite you in contempt here.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
It was already an instruction, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, let me ask Colonel Garma here. Colonel Garma, do you have any ulterior motive when you told us the story of Captain Alborta telling you about what he told you? Do you have any ulterior motive?
My
On
my
that?
only motive, Mr. Chair, is to tell the truth.
Oh, the only motive,
Mr. Chair.
Captain Albotra, is to tell the truth. Now, let me also ask you, Colonel Garma, why do you think that Captain Albotra told you that kind of a story?
I think in confidence, Mr. Chair, and perhaps impress me that he is cooperative in the war on drugs, Mr. Chair. I think that is his intention during that
Oh.
time.
Captain Albotra, I think it's good for you to tell the truth to us now. Because look, it is her telling you that you're lying. And it is you that is telling us here today that she's lying. So, Captain, it's good for you to tell the truth now. Ang palagay mo? Alam na namin
I'm only speaking of the truth, Mr. Chair.
No, you're not speaking the truth, Captain Albotra.
Yun po ang katotohanan.
Sinabi ko
Mr.
nga
Chair.
sa iyo Oh. it would be Colonel Garma who's telling a lie, and you are telling us the truth. Eh, malabo yun. Siguro kinakailangan na because look, before this hearing is over, I will even be the one, if not Congressman Paduano, I'll be the one to make a motion to hold you in contempt. And you be detained here. Tell us the truth now.
I will be lying, Mr. Chair, if I will,
Well, okay. Okay, it's up to
sabi
you.
po ako na tama po si Ma'am Garma, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Tamisin, you mentioned a moment ago that it was only seconds, di ba? After the police found out that Mayor Perez got killed. Ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor. When he was shot 3 times, when he went down, you will see that the van is already leaving at that time.
Okay. So other question is this, Mr. Chair. How about the getaway car? Did you see the getaway car? Do you know about the getaway car?
Your Honor, I have seen only the getaway car through that video, Your Honor.
Oh. Eh di mas magaling kang investigador kaysa sa mga pulis natin sa Los Baños. Colonel Duque. Oh, hindi ba when you investigate a killing na pinapatawag niyo ang SOCO?
Yes, sir.
Oh, pinatawag niyo yung SOCO. Andun yung SOCO, di ba?
Yes, sir. They are part of the
Secondly, hindi ba when you investigate a killing, you also find out if there's a getaway car, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hindi niyo nakita. Wala kayong nakitang getaway car.
Meron, sir. Yung nasa video, sir,
So, anong ginawa nyo? Hinabol mo nyo ba o anong nangyari?
there were several follow-up operations, sir, to
No, that day, that hour. Nung nakita nyo sa video, kailan nyo nakita sa video? Kailan? After several hours?
Yes, sir. After we were able to verify.
Is it not that you as an investigator should scour the place because the getaway car would not be able to get out easily?
Yes, sir.
Or perhaps, Chief of Police Garduque, alam nyo na police ang pumatay kay Mayor Perez at pinabayaan nyo makaalis ang getaway car.
No, sir.
The thing is, kanina, nakita na natin itong si Colonel Tamisin is even a moral advocate in this, Councilor Tamisin is even a moral advocate right here in Los Baños. That he is a peaceful man. Inaanak ito ng mayor. Nakakapagtaka na merong political motivation dito. You were telling us that one of your reports says that part of that would be politically motivated? Is that the kind of observation and investigation you have in this killing, Colonel Garduque?
Sir, it's a collective decision of the SITG during that time.
Will you please submit to us your written report on the incident?
Yes, sir.
Will please
Yes, sir.
submit it to us, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Chairman, thank you, Congressman Abante. Congressman Acop, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pwede po bang i-move na imbitahin natin sa susunod na hearing yung